guess you can watch me go down there. Oh.
Yeah, that's right. Hold on.
You need us to move? Huh? What do you say?
It says a log or something.
Oh. You need us to move?
What?
Pull yours around mine, Daryl.
Hey, this got in my way.
That little thing?
It moved.
Hold that for me.
All right. Oh, your shit ain't doing nothing?
You didn't feel me?
Hell no. Come on, you got it. You got it. You got it. Give him some traction. Yeah.
Yeah, man. This got harder the second time.
Oh. Trying to get it. Get it there. That's what's up. Take a look around right here.
I made it look hella hard, didn't I?
Yeah.
That's right. We made it to the top. E-boy, it's fucked up hill. You gotta be on your P's and Q's.